Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Hello, Cinemax, hello Grandma, Gamma, it's great to see you. Sorry for starting a bit late, I was waiting to see if my allergy meds would kick in, but they haven't yet, so fucking well. How are you all doing? I have spent the last couple days resting and recuperating after the big stream. It was so much fun, but oh god, that was fucking, yeah, it was like tiring, but yeah, good evening, night, yeah, today's great, yay, yeah, I've just mostly been like taking care of myself and just resting, but yeah, anything interesting to talk about? Not super, really? I mean, I guess there's like the... I guess there's like the VTuber estradiol bottle I made for a friend. Like, I guess I can share that because I am honestly pretty happy with it. Yeah, there. Yeah, a friend of mine needed some, like, backup estrogen, and I just printed out this, like, I just printed out this label for it, and I think it's, like, I think it's just really cute and really good, and I'm really happy with it. Yeah, tonight, I am gonna be working more on PMPP, that Minecraft mod I started out last week. Yep, hey, give me some of that. Yeah, I did a bit of work, yeah, off stream, but like not much. Yeah, like I did a very slight amount of work off stream, just like getting things all like prepped and ready, and like actually managing to get it to work on Quilt, at least on my other machine. So we'll see if that works. Yeah. Anyway, how about we just get going? So, yeah, sorry, I'm still kind of like revving up a bit. I've been tired. Just like, turns out, streaming for 8 hours straight is tiring. Who fucking knew? And let's go. So yeah. Did a couple things in the background. I did manage to actually get it, like, successfully, like, running on Quilt. Like, if we go, check out, I'm now using, like, QSL and such, and I am doing some fun things over here. As you can tell, I am just, yeah, like, doing a few things just to make sure that everything works. Yeah, like, I am having to use the Fabric Networking API. Yeah. Ooh, Ira, thank you for the blops. Yeah, found some note-taking software called Obsidian. Now I'm obsessively writing D&D content for my campaign. Got Java to work impossible. Yeah, no. Obsidian is really cool, and I definitely want to, like, I should definitely give it a try sometime. It does seem neat. But yeah, hello, Eric. Great to see you. Yeah, I am running on top of QSL now. I'm using, like, the bridges because Cardinal requires Fabric Networking API. But yeah, how about we get this going? Beep, beep. That's hella cool, yeah. Yeah, no, I have seen a lot of cool stuff about it. But yeah, let's see if this is gonna build and run. Emphasizes links between notes. Yeah, it's neat. I think it'd be cool to use for, like, some of my uplink stuff, yeah. Makes you a nice graph of all your notes, yeah. Alright, setting player. If I'm gonna keep Good. What's my UUID again? But yeah, it now, like, runs, and I can get into World, I think. Pretty sure I can get into World. Yep. Beep. Then I can, once this actually loads, there, then I can pmpp send at p Minecraft diamond hello, and mpp get attachment diamond. Yay, it shows up. Awesome. So attachments are working. Hell yeah. What's that saying? Did I mess? Yes, I did. Oh boy. Why did hitting escape crash? What? Ah! Why? Current value of... Oh, of get serializers. Well, that's an issue. Also, that's an issue. Item stack attachment? Oh, yep. I completely just, forgot to... Yep, alright, I just asked. Tried making Java mods a couple of times, never could get it to work properly, so I made function mods instead, yeah. I wanted to get into Minecraft mods more, ended up dropping the game after my last friends group server went down, yeah. Sadly, most, like, servers just don't really. Yeah. Yeah, most attachment most servers don't last that long, which kind of sucks. Am I doing something wrong? Let me check. I think I have something set up. Let me, can you, like, oh, you're just, oh, that's question mark. Okay, yeah, I should, yeah, you should not, that's an attachment. Yeah, that's an attachment. You should down. And you're good. Yeah, just don't sweat the, yeah, just don't sweat it now. Got thermal expansion pulverizer redstone furnace kind of working entirely with command blocks a while back, and I was working on Mario to craft magic stuff with amethyst and copper, but I've not touched it for a while. Ooh. Yeah, I know there's some real fucking cool stuff you can do with, like, function, yeah, like MC function stuff, but yeah. Okay, so you have, alright. Yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, yeah. So I have got most stuff set up. Now, the big question is, Why is message angry? What? Oh, where are... Oh yeah, because they don't have a 2 NBT, yeah. Had a system where you throw down a copper ingot item, then drop an anvil on it and crushes into a copper plate. Then you craft it with amethyst to make components. Ooh. What do I do about that? Type systems. Why am I even bothering this? Now here's the thing, like... Yeah, like... The big thing is that, like, types are fake? And there's... Yeah, 2 NBT... as I'm just gonna say... I'm just gonna say get rid of all that. I think is gonna work a bit better. Yeah, then I've gotta change... this is gonna blow is the issue. That... Yeah. Also, why STSCH? Yeah. I don't like typing in serialization stuff. It kind of blows. Yep. Third copper ingot, drop an anvil on it, crushes it into copper plate, then you craft it with amethyst to make components. Neat. Alright, what if I... If I do, like, a wild card, then it can't reliably... Because it's a capture... What if... How... What the f... Let me, I know loot tables do, like, two-way. Is it... Does it... it goes on the type! Right, because they have a separate type. Oh, that'd be a bit of a pain, but... Oh, that blow! No, Now, what if... Then what about, what about that? Yeah, that would work a lot better. And... Yeah. And compound ret equals compound stack dot. Actually, wait. What I literally let me check. I just had that. Why did I forget it already? Gee. Oh yeah, no. I also passed in stack tag, then tag put stack tag return, or actually instead of 2 I'm gonna do write NBT. Yeah, advisor. I'm just changing it to then I can. I'm gonna just make it right MBT, yeah. And oh yeah, I should also make it a void. Where? Yeah. Then that should serializer, you're good. Or actually no, I'm not gonna, you're gonna be attachment type. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make that a type. Yeah. And you're gonna be I'm gonna to do this is ugly, but there's a whole heap of type coercion BS if I have a wild-carded type that also does realization. Yeah. Yeah, then I'm just gonna make this type and types and type, then type. Are we good? Why do you have unrelated error, fucker? Oh yeah. Weird that, there. And yeah, should be okay. Yeah, oh wait. ID. Names, okay. That should be good, theoretically. Yeah. Then I've changed that to your. Then, oh, this is, I think because I changed, like, serialization format, my world is scrapped. Now, let's see. Beep, beep, beep. Unload. Okay. And if this world crashes with unparsable timestamp, I can just crash it. also... done. And this will crash. This should crash. This should crash. I'm... I guess it didn't. Weird! Ah, that feels like it should have because I changed, like, the timestamp format. Or the date format, yeah. I don't know. Let me check one thing. Oh. Yo, what's up? Hello, Sun Roses. Hope you're doing good. Now, here's a question. Ah. There is... Right, so... Oh, right, because I have to... I think... Did that do it? Oh yeah, there's abbreviated patterns, abbreviated power, or pattern. I think this should be okay. A capital M for months, yeah? Month in your context. Yeah, let's also see if I can get a little blush. Yeah, that happens when I, like, puff my cheeks out. Yeah, it's really good. Ah, this model is just so good and cozy. Let's see, 401, invalid credentials. Yeah, not surprised because I didn't give, like, proper credentials. But will it still, like, get me in as my UUID? There's the unparsable timestamp. Yep. That is, yeah, not surprised because I just, like, changed how stuff happens, yeah. I'm gonna make a new one. Creative, ENVTuber test, create new world. Beep, 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 beep. Rob's gonna have this muted for bits. Plays in Minecraft for all people who love you. Love you. Yeah, it's good to have you here anyway. Alright, let's see if this will work. Let's see if this will work. Let's see if this will work. Let's see. Okay, I'm in. Cool. Then PMPP send that P, and it'll still give. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Hi and PMPP get. All right, so that works. Then all right, so I just realized I want to change the formatting again. God damn it. That should be single D, single M, single Y, so they'll like expand only as needed. Actually, no. I want here to always be, or yeah. And in single quotes to preserve? Or actually, let me actually, check something real quick, Actually, no, I don't think I want seconds in. Yeah, we can have, like, yeah. Actually, do I, it feels like I want to have, like, a numeric timestamp instead of the string version for this. Let's see. So, yeah, those are constructors. Is there, like, that's compilation stuff. Written code. That's, yep, private. Public stuff, yep. Yeah, so there's format. They're like... Yeah, there's like parse. I don't like storing these as a string. I don't like storing them as a string. That feels like a very bad idea. Java date to number, or no, to Unix timestamp. Oh, oh, alright, yeah, I'm just gonna use, so, simple date format should stay around, but I'm not gonna be using it, so yeah, yeah, timestamp will always be publicly exposed as a string, but in NBT, you're going to, alright, so then we're going to, instead of put long, and, this timestamp get time, there, then this should be, and I can, that, so, new date, get long, there, better. I'm gonna have to delete the world again, because there's not really any good way to clear out, yeah. Alright. Alright. I think I might want to simplify attachments even more, but we'll see. Because, like, I either want to make them a lot simpler or a lot more complex. Test. Yeah, like, either I want to make them a lot simpler and always be stored as item stacks with just special logic for creating them, or I want to make them like storable as anything and have like other stuff like be able to extract from them and such. It'll like be it'll all just be a big mess, but we'll have to see. Yeah, let me quickly test. Does that... Alright, so is that the right UUID? Yeah, 3F515. Yeah. Alright, so it will still always use the proper UUID. Good. Alright. So yeah, now I can send at P hi and PP get. Alright. Yeah. And then I could even, yeah. Then I could even make the, format, like the timestamp format that's displayed, just like configurable. Like, you can choose how you want it to look, which I think would be good to do. Alright. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, then I just want to test this one more time to make sure. Alright, beep. Almost there, almost there. Over there. Alright. Okay. So now I can once again do, once this loads at least, then I should be able to mpp get, and because it, yay! And it, it even updates like the username. Nice, okay. Alright, so yay, that works. Then I'm gonna say to do config, and I'm also gonna do either simplify or complicate this a lot. Item, or I'm actually gonna make this a multi-line, just so I can say right now, it's kind of in a weird state where it's anything in item stack out, but I might want to make it item stack in item stack out, or anything in anything out. What? Which option would be better? Alright, there. Alright, so I've got that. Then there is one other big thing I need to think about. Right now I'm kind of formatting this as like email style, but I might want to have like it text message style instead. That's just like a big decision of like how things are formatted, because like emails, you've got like a subject, you've got a body, you've got like multiple recipients, yeah, which like you've got like actual like recipient lists and such, you've got all sorts of things. Text messages, you don't have subjects, but you have like a consistent thread of messages, and like the big question is, do I want to make this email or text or some fusion of both? And I have had one potential idea. I've had one idea where you've got like a hybrid system where like because there's going to be both like a phone terminal and a block, or there's going to be an item terminal and a block terminal. Maybe I could have it so the block terminal is email style and the item terminal is text message style? That might be interesting. I'd have to do some like other stuff, because like I don't even have like outboxes designed yet or anything. Yeah, I could, yeah, like, and like, even with emails, you've got like reply threads and forwards and shit, and I'm just like trying to think of like how complex I want this to be. Talked with Kat, who gave me the original design ideas, a bit about it, and let me see if I can find that in our chat. Scroll back, because we talk a lot. Yeah, one thing we've considered is having, like, 2 message systems? Yeah. Which would need to be a bit more complex, but I could do it. Yeah, I just, like, then, like, that comes up across, like, design things of, like, why not just make them, like, access the same stuff so you don't have just, like, yeah, Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, I'll figure something out, but right now, at least we've got this, I will also have to, like, do some UI stuff at some point, probably, given that, you know, it's, like, players are gonna have to use this. Oh boy. Yeah, lots of things to think about, I do like what I've got so far, the other, yeah, so, like, what I've got, yeah, ideas I've got right now is that there will also be a recipe attachment, or, so, like, for, like, limited crafting mode, which is honestly a really cool thing that I think is kind of underrated, and more mod packs should use, then you could, like, email recipes to people, which I think would be neat. I think that'd be very neat. Yeah, especially because, like, you can have, like, a progression-based mod with recipe type always limited, which I believe is on the recipe type? Oh wait, no, recipe type is literally just a string. Is it on recipe? There's ignored, yeah, is ignored in recipe book. I could have sworn, is it on crafting recipe? Because I know cooking recipes aren't, like, yeah, let me check, like, crafting recipe. There's, like, some interesting stuff, that's, I could have sworn there was a, oh, if it's ignored in recipe book, or that's not ignored in, alright, so if it's not ignored in recipe book, and it's do limited crafting, and the recipe book contains, yeah, there isn't anything built in for, like, always limited. I think there should be. That'd be a good thing to do, but yeah, Yeah, I'm kind of trying to think about, like, what I want to do for attachments, such. I think if I make it more complex, having attachment and attachment type will be good. But, like, I will have to, like, figure out the, yeah, there is, like, I can, like, go off, like, the type, like, loop type serialization stuff here, but yeah. What does JSON serializable type do? That's your thing. Alright, oh, that just gets a, is that a JSON? Oh no, they've got their own, yeah, to JSON from JSON, yeah. So JSON serializable type, then loop function type, yeah. And that just, like, flattens out there, okay, yeah. Oh, type systems. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so I kind of feel like I need to do a bit more with, like, the subsystem before I can get into, like, making the proper UI. Big question is, like, what and how and everything. I could, like, do a message thread system for inboxes instead of just like a list of gotten messages. Which I think I should do, honestly, for either, because you might have like... Oh, Protodigs, thank you very much for the follow! Welcome to Uplink City! Yeah, I might just do like... Oh, yeah, I probably should just have like a message thread system anyway, but yeah. Yeah, that's probably actually just like a good idea in general because you can have email replies and such. Yeah. Message thread. Oh, there's that duplicate notif. Yeah, message thread. Then should have, yeah, then message thread should have like a title, a list of authors, and yeah. Yeah, so it should have a title, a list of participants, yeah, that's... Or... String title, list, GUID, participants, list, messages. Yeah, something like that would probably be good, but, title, This would also, it'd be like redundant storage, but it's stored in the NBT, it's stored in NBT, so like, having like bigger storage size shouldn't be that much of an issue. Yeah, yeah, I think I want to... Oh, now here's the question, do we want to have it be possible to change like the thread title, because like, folks love changing their group chat name every so often. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have it not be a record, or at least, oh, thank you for the stretch. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have this be a class and not a record, because I want that mutability without having to reconstruct it, because currently reconstructing things in Java is expensive. Yeah, I'm gonna have a, private string title, a private... That makes sense. Now, do we want to set UUID participants and private list messages? Yeah. Then public message thread, then that's gonna be a new hash set and new array list, string title, then let's just have UUID participants. Yeah, that'll work. Then, this title, then, participants dot put, or this participants dot put, or add all participants. Why doesn't... Java, come on! elections, add all participants, or this participants, there. Then get title, get participants, and get messages. Right, then now these do expose them mutably, which I wish I could limit, but oh well. But like, I'm gonna be one writing all the surface for this, so yeah, message thread. Then I think I'm gonna have to take these off the component itself. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to take the send message ones off of the component, and those will be here, so like, so then I could have like a public void send message, then this'll messages is dot add message, then public void add participant UID participants dot add ID, and public. And then I'm also gonna need to do alert inboxes component, remove participant UID ID participants remove ID to do alert inboxes component. Alright. You know what I could do here instead of send messages, I could like start thread or such, but yeah. I could like yeah, no, there's gonna be some stuff to do here, but yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to have like, yeah, the big question is like surface, like since I have total control over everything, do I want to make things like mutable? Do I want to have like message deletion and such? And that'll be an interesting question. Yeah. Yeah, like, of course I can provide all that, just like, what do I want to? And how serious is this? Like, this is like, a messaging system inside of Minecraft. How much effort do I want to put into designing this is the big question. Then I'm gonna have to public void right, or what am I doing on message? Yeah, so I've got to NBT and from NBT, yeah, so public NBT compound to NBT, then public static message thread from NBT compound tag. There. Yeah, so the compound ret equals new NBT compound, then ret puts string title this dot title. Right. Then I'm gonna need a list of UUIDs. Then so a list members tag equals new NBT list, and a list messages tag equals NBT list. Yeah. Yeah, then, for ID members, or participants. Do I want to say participants or members? I'm gonna say, members. Select all. Okay. No, not memers. I mean, though that's kind of accurate. There. Select all, okay. Select all, okay. Thank you. Up. Members tagged up. Put. Add. Oh wait, yeah, no, because right, there needs to be compound. Then MB, because there's no way to have a list of UUIDs in MBT, which so I'm gonna need MBT compound member tag equals new MBT compound member or tag dot put UUID ID, then member tag, or yeah, then members tag dot add member tag, there. Okay. And what else? Then for this, for message and messages, empty compound, message tag equal, or no, then messages tag dot put add message to MBT. There. Then I can ret put and then ret put members tag, then ret put messages tag, then return ret. There. Then I've got to go backwards, so then string title equals tag get string title. Right, gonna take a break in a couple minutes, gonna write this out first, so then empty list members tag equals tag get list members element dot list compound type, then for MBT element members or first tag, then then empty compound member equal MBT compound E. Don't need those out of parentheses, I'll get rid of them soon, but yeah, then oh yeah, I should also have a set or yeah, oh yeah, I'm just gonna have message thread ret equals new message thread title, then members put or ret members dot put or add, right? The names are so weird, but yeah, member dot get UUID ID. There, then empty list messages tag equals tag get list messages MBT element dot compound type, then for MBT element E messages tag empty compound message equals empty compound E. I'll quickly delete those. But yeah, then ret messages add message from MBT message, and then return ret. All right, yay! Serialization is all good. But yeah, and in level inbox component, yeah, I'm just gonna have to change type. So yeah, edge thread, and yeah, yeah, I'm gonna be right back in just a minute. See you in a little. And I'm back. It's weird having, like, going on break and not, like, having Ada there to say hi to. Yeah, Ada is currently on, yeah. Yeah, Ada is currently, having a trip. Gonna be fun, but yeah. Right, I I think, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the send message method. Now, actually, wait. I am just noticing, yeah, I've got that. Now, here's the question. Do I actually, I'm actually gonna, yeah, alright, Now, do I have redundancy, or... It feels... Now, do I have data redundancy, or, like, longer, like, compute times, and... This is ultimately gonna be pretty low bandwidth, but also, like, they could end up getting, like, lists could end up getting really big. Now, here's... This is all just like, and now I'm gonna have to get all that sorted out and such, and all the send stuff and everything, yeah, there's, like, just a bunch of, like, things here that are gonna be a bit weird, like, a lot of heuristics I'm having to think about, and, like, kind of the same heuristics you have to make with, think about with any message system. I'm gonna ignore those red squigglies in PMPP for now, since I'm currently refactoring. Now, here's the big question, because some of these message threads are going to be shared across multiple people, should I give them, like, and, like, I think I am gonna do some redundancy. So, private final map UID list message thread all, or no, just a big list message thread all threads equals new array list. Alright, then I need to get yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have one big list of all threads that is synced with this map UUID list of message threads. So yeah. So yeah, this will be interesting. I will need to, like, create a... I will need a method for, like, creating a thread, but yeah. So instead of having inboxes stored like this, means I'm gonna need to delete... God, I love serialization. I wish there was, like, a, there is, actually. Not like, yeah, this is, I'm gonna do a private static final dev version, or int dev version equals 2, or dev hash. Yeah, like, not like a real hash, but yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, for right now, I am going to have a, so, tag put dev version. We're gonna put int. Then dev hash. Yeah, dev hash, yeah. Then what I'm gonna do here is int hash equals tag get int dev hash. Then yep, dev hash like that. Then if hash equals dev hash, then do all this stuff. Otherwise, it'll just like clean it out. So yeah, now I don't have to worry about nuking the world or restarting the world every time I change format. I can just like bump this and that'll like be fine. So yeah. It'll just like clean it out for me automatically. I'm going to do and yeah. Delete me and associated logic before public release. I exist purely to destroy. There. Got it. So, now that we've got that dev hash stuff, it should be just fine for cleaning things up. So now, instead of having an inboxes tag, I'm gonna have a message threads. Then instead of, yeah, so instead of this, we're going to have a for message thread or all threads. Yeah, and threads tag dot put. Or I know, this is going to be an MBT list now. MBT list. And add, we're going to have thread to MBT. And am I calling this? I'm just gonna call it threads. I'm calling message, yeah, I'm calling this message thread just so it doesn't confuse with like, computer threads, but yeah. So I don't need that. Don't need you. Then, here's what I'm gonna do, and you're actually an MBT list. Get list, then MBT element.compound type, because it's putting in MBT compounds. Then, what I'm gonna do is, for MBT element e threads tag MBT compound thread equals MBT compound e. Because we're doing type verification there. Yeah. Then thread tag then we're going to message thread equals message thread from MBT thread tag. Could like put the cast in there, but oh well. Then for also I should put all threads dot clear. Oh, Cinemax, thank you for turning out the lights. Give me just a second. Adding. What is that on this one? Yeah. Then let me quickly set a timer. And it's boom. Alright. There you go. So then I'm clearing all of these. Then what I'm gonna do is all threads dot put or add thread. Then for UID ID thread get members inbox or get inbox ID dot add thread. All right. Did one of your LEDs go? This model does not have like emission. You can't really, yeah, you sadly can't really do emission to my knowledge on, on live 2D models. There might be some, yeah, there might be some other thing I can do for like this display lighting and like having some facets ignored, but I don't know what it is, and I might actually need like to get Kieran's help setting it up. But yeah, anyway, so now it will store all the threads here, and then it'll mirror them into the inboxes, which means I will need to alt void. Yeah, so create thread, then string name what members, or no, then I want a default void create thread string name player entity members. So then create thread name, then members dot or race dot stream members dot map player entity get UUID dot to array, and what does to array want? Are you good? Oh wait, UID but up. That? What do you... That return type, is there another to array with, int function? Creating an array of A, what if I... Can I just, array, UID, but, can I just cast it? Yes, I can just cast it, okay. Hooray! All good, then. Yeah. I wish I didn't have to use a stream here because, but it is using a method ref instead of a lambda, so that should be fine, yeah. Okay. Then I need to import, so, so instead of the send message, I'm gonna have create thread. No, yeah, so then I'm gonna have, thread, message thread equals new message thread, name members, and for player, or then for UID, ID members, get inbox ID dot add thread. There. Should be good. Now I've got shared so now I've got like yeah. Now these should be shared across all players, which should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Then this has its own like yeah, now this has its own send message and everything, so yeah. And is there like with auto sync component, let me check. Does component actually have like a player sync predicate? It's weird that there's not actually like, I guess, yeah, Yeah, it's kind of feels weird. Yeah, data automatically synchronized with players watching the provider. All right, yeah. Hopefully it'll like just be able to like tell that, but yeah. I might need to like do an equals impl for that. I'll have to check, but yeah. Component key sync. Ah, right. Because yeah. Now, I do actually want to take a look, usages. Alright, hit client, okay, so yeah, alright, that's that, okay, says there's another result, yeah, oh, and that's just, alright, that's still client stuff, is there, alright, instance of, so, I think I still do need to call sync, which means I can, like, make a mark dirty, so, so I think message thread should have a mark dirty. Or, yeah, it should have like a, I think it should be, yeah. This should be like a, it should have a listener system, so yeah, private list runnable. Then you should be final, because you can still, yeah, mark dirty makes us giggle very immaturely. Listeners, new array list. Then I should have a public void listen runnable r. Then private void mark dirty. For runnable are listeners. Oh, friends. Runnable are listeners. R dot run. Yeah, also now we have a creative test rule with quadrants for all, for different purposes, one of them being for redstone. Nice, nice. And runnables. And then listeners dot add R. Alright. Then, I should mark dirty. Mark dirty. Mark dirty. Then, yeah. Then I can do stuff there, so. Then I should also have a public string set title. Or public void set title. This title. Oh, and also string title equals title. Alright. Then. Yeah, then. This does not go through those messages which alert. So yeah, then whenever it creates a thread in, then I should also have a mark dirty here. So yeah, or yeah. So then I'm gonna have a private void mark dirty. I'll actually put right above private void mark dirty. I'm gonna have mpp components dot inboxes dot sync this, or this dot level, because it asks for the provider. Yep, yeah. Or no, I think it just wants this. Or no, it wants the provider, so level. Yeah. And I should also thread listen this mark dirty. Yeah. Then thread.listen this mark dirty. Actually, that's not quite enough. I should what if I think instead of runnable, it should I think instead of a runnable, it might need to have a bit more. Yeah, if I'm gonna have like the add and remove participant, it will need to or wait, it'll right, because it reconstructs it on the client side, and the client side is more the one that cares about like who can see what. And yeah, client side cares about like what will be visible on the UI, I think. Yeah, client side will care more about like what's visible on the UI. So because it will update because on the client side, when it deserializes, it will like do like it will like create the list of inboxes there. I think it should be fine to just call sync and not also like update the inboxes here, since inboxes isn't like super, like inboxes is primarily client side, I think. And that is 15. Wow, that 15 minutes passed real quickly. Setting off. There. Yeah, time is fake, especially when I'm medicated, but yeah, But I do have this here, and that may be accessed server side. I think another thing to keep in mind is the way I have it, it will send the entire state of the message system to every client, which... Is there a... No, yeah, that's still, like, messed up because I've been doing a lot of refactoring. Oh, I do actually think I might need message threads to know about, like, a global numeric... Message threads may need to, like... Yeah, because... all message thread, because you can have multiple message threads with the same member, like, with identical member sets, and, I might need to make message threads have a sense of, like, identity, like, that can be sync client to server. Also, let me quickly check, autosync component. Oh, so that can... I might want to... I might want to do, like, better sync stuff? Yeah, I think I might want to have a better... To be fair, they will all end up having, like, a unique... Yeah, so, like, every message thread will have a, like, unique numeric ID due to being put into, like, a list. Like, it'll have an index. I could use that. Because, like, lists are ordered, so, like, theoretically, yeah, like... This'll preserve order. This'll preserve order. I could use, like, index, but I would need to, like, I could use index, or Yeah, I don't need to do something super complex. I'm not making Discord here. I'm not expecting there to be, like, millions. Yeah. I think message threads should be aware of, like, their numerical ID. Yeah, I could, like, just, instead of, I could store it in the NBT. Yeah, because creating a new thread will always be done through here. Yeah, wait, I could just store it in, I'll have a private final int thread ID. Then that's gonna be int thread ID. This thread ID equals thread ID. Get thread ID, yep. Then I just need to put that in here, so thread put int thread ID, this thread ID. Yep. So I could do something like that. I don't even need... I think I'm gonna avoid this's unless it, like, is, like, necessary for disambiguation. Yeah, Then, int thread ID equals tag get int thread ID title. Then I'm going to, yeah, because now that I've got the thread ID, I can, instead of having a, you can be a consumer int, capital I, int. Yeah? Or no, it's integer, yeah. Then consumer integer apply, right, consume, accept. Thread ID, and just gonna have you consumer integer. Then over in here I can int thread ID equals and int thread ID all threads dot size and that happens before it gets I should actually all threads dot add thread. I should do that, but yeah. Then I can, then this feels like I have to make it just ON. Then for map UI or for UID ID or yeah, I think I just have to make it ON on the number of players because like most servers don't have more than 20, so that's fine. Unless this is like being used on a mega server, which there aren't many of. And I don't think many of them would use PMPP. Like, there aren't many like modded servers that are like mega. Like, still like, there's a lot more, but yeah. I'm gonna say for UID ID, or yeah, no, I'm gonna say thread T or message thread equals all threads dot get thread ID them for UID ID all inboxes. Ooh. Sunrise says thank you for the bwops. Alright, then that then you could if box or let me Ooh, the works. Hey Non, great to see you. Yeah, stretch. Posture check. hydrate. And most importantly, so remove, okay. You say how long? Yeah, that could be. Wait, no, pains. Now, array list, do you? Alright, index of range. That is, that is ON. Also, stream title and game category I haven't been. I pressed done. Like, I told it to update multiple fucking times. Like, what the hell? Like, I clicked done multiple times just to make absolutely sure. I don't know what happened. Come on, Twitch. That would be kind of, oh. I could just do, like, answer your state tracking. Yeah. Looks fine to me, yeah. I just clicked it again, but yeah. There it goes, yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Twitch has been a bit weird with that a couple times. I'll have to check to see if the VOD says 2 chapters, but yeah, how do I do this in a way that's not, like, ooh, it's not pricey? This, what if I make listeners a by consumer integer Boolean? Then I'm gonna have Boolean participants changed. True, true, false. So at least this won't happen on every single message send, which is probably a good idea. Where's the, yeah, by consumer Boolean, then you need, yeah, your Mark Dirty needs to have Boolean participant changed. If participants change, then then this is a rare enough operation, theoretically, that it should not be an issue that I'm going to be doing something very expensive. And, then, so, let's just check on list, remove, alright, remove alright, optional operation. If this does not contain element is unchanged. Okay, that's fine. So, I can, if, thread members contain, ID, or actually, Boolean Boolean, has player has thread equals, inboxes dot get id dot contains thread, Boolean thread has player equals thread get members contains id. Then if thread has player and not player has thread, then inboxes dot get or id dot add thread. Then if not thread has player and player has thread, inboxes get id dot remove thread. There. Not the best. Yeah, not optimal, but better. A lot better. I could also just, list message thread inbox equals inboxes dot get b. There. Now that is another option. Yeah, no, that is a lot cheaper. Yeah. I don't need, yeah, again, I don't think I need to worry too much because this will only happen when participants are changed. So yeah. I've gotten ON here and ON here and ON here. Yeah. Then, yeah. Then an ON here and just O1 here. Yeah. Should be good. Then, yeah, that should work well. Then I think I can rest safe because, like, I'm just gonna check again, so... Yeah, this, yeah. So, this should, like, keep sequential order. This, yeah, this does assume that threads are never going to be deleted, but I never delete threads. So, yeah, like, there's no way to delete threads right now except for MBT editing, and that would just cause chaos. Yeah. So, like, this assumes preserved order, yeah, or that does preserve order, which I think should be fine. Then, yeah, because this is order preserving, yep, this preserves order, and then this, no, that's the mark, yeah, so, yeah, we've got preserved order here, and, yeah, so we've got preserved order here because they're adding in the same order that they're being iterated through. We've got preserved order here because, again, adding same order they're being iterated through. Should be fine. Should be fine. Hopefully. Yeah, so got dev hash 2 on there. Message threads have been updated. Yeah, that. I've got the listener to, like, automatically sync and everything. I don't like this, but I don't think there's any other way to, like... It's fine, yeah. Yeah, that should be, pretty alright. Yeah, so that should work for both, like, email style and text message style. Yeah. Okay. Hey, we're gonna head off. Love you. Love you. Hope you have a good time. So yeah, now I think I'm still gonna... Red. So now I can, just, yeah, I also don't need any of... I can get rid of the command stuff because that was just for testing. Oh, thank you for the hydrate. Ah. Okay, then. I can get rid of this command reg. Now, what I do need to do is... Alright, so now that I've got that done, I need to think about attachments again at some point. Yeah, just like, yeah, I think I might have a... Yeah, I'm gonna think about, like, how I want to do attachments and such. Yeah. I wonder what else I can... Alright, so I've got all this. How long until I actually start need to, like, making the interfaces? Don't know if I can put it off any longer. Fuck. Okay. I think I can't put it off any longer. It's time to make some interfaces. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. So, I do have, like, the quilt GUI stuff, so... What is quilt? Oh, right, quilt GUI is just tooltip. I'll also need to do some networking. Oh, that'll be interesting. But yeah, I don't think I want to put it off longer. I'm gonna say do my own, yeah, custom sync code to not send the entire message ecosystem state to every player. Probably a bad idea to do that. Yeah, now that I have, like, yeah, so, like, because I've made it so that it will sync after it updates any, like, change participants or such. Yeah, I could, like, make like the update listener a bit fancier and, like, say exactly who was added or removed or such, but I might honestly do that and just, like, yeah, I might do that at some point, but for now I think this is at least good enough, and it won't, like, and that's, like, API surface that doesn't, yeah, that, like, the player won't see, so let's see. What should I do now? So I need a block and an item. So, or no, that just a weird flash thing. Yeah. The MPP So I'm gonna have a block.terminal block extends block. Then I don't need anything like super fancy for the block. I just need it to open the screen. And I'm also gonna have an item.terminal item, which extends item. Okay, so I've got those. Now, right now, of course, they do nothing, and I'm gonna need to make the chat client interfaces and such first, but yeah. Now, luckily, I believe I don't think I will. Yeah, ooh. I don't think I will need to have a handled screen for the mobile chat client. Yeah, I don't think I will. Yeah, I think that can just be a screen. Yeah, yeah, like, or actually, wait, no, there are, yeah. Yeah, there is like a crafting screen handler for stuff that interfaces with that, but that is like, is there a, yeah, all of these like really fundamentally have to do with inventories and such, yeah. Popular lectern. What's your, actually, what's your property, Del? You care about inventory? Right, is it for the book? Yeah, I know they've got that yeah, it is for, oh yeah, it's because you can, like, take the book and such. Yeah, so there's, yeah, the book item, yeah. That's it. And then it does that with the screen, then. But, like, keep seeing, like, something, like, flicker over in the side of, I think that's just, like, time, the, like, age thing, timestamps counting up, yeah, yeah, shulker box, yeah, smithing, smoker, stone cutter, loom merchant. I do not see, ooh, alright, I think that will be, yeah, like, if I look in client, yeah, I'm gonna finish this up quick, but yeah, client, GUI screen in-game, book screen and book edit screen are not handled screens, okay? Which means that, like, if this can work just fine, you know, I absolutely do not have to worry about a handled screen for the, yeah, for the phone client, which should be nice. Yeah, then I will have to do some screen handling for, oh, that's gonna be, I mean, luckily I don't, like, think I'll need real slots for the, yeah, I don't think I'll need real slots, but I will still need, like, at least something like the take book or whatever, like, inventory syncing from server to client for, like, the, block terminal. Yeah, yep, just looking, how does, is there, like, an on close, or, yeah, there's finalized book, yeah, that sends, yeah, that does book packet stuff, yep. Got, yeah. Yep, and that'll just, like, write MBT data and then, like, send the packet and everything, yeah. Okay, neat. I am going to take a real quick break, then I will be back and I'm gonna start working on that screen. Should be fun. Okay, screen time. This is gonna be fun. Oh boy. Okay, so now here's a fun thing to know. Scrolling is a nightmare. Now, I wonder, can I actually, where's the, like, I don't remember, chat screen. Alright. Alright, so yeah, there is some stuff here, okay. Yeah, I might take some stuff from here just so I can, like, know what I'm doing, okay? Right, chat field, where are you? Ooh, there is a built-in text field widget, okay. Alright, I'm going to make, client.screen. Item terminal screen. Extend screen. Then, alright, so then we have like, text field widget, so that's the, like, alright, so text field widget is where you input. Then what is it? Alright, yeah, so it's got the text field widget. Oh, it saves all the original chat text as a string. Fun. Alright, so yep, so it's got stuff here, okay. Oh boy, key codes. Alright, so 266 and 267 are important key codes. Alright, there's insert text, render, okay. It's, alright, yeah, so it's got a fill, okay. Then chat field. I think is the... Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is the text field widget is like the edible part. Hello, Masai String decided to hop in. What you up to? I am, yeah. Hello, Earthstream. Welcome. Yeah, I am working on a project that one of my friends requested to me of an in-game like text-like chat message system in Minecraft, which I think is pretty cool. Basically, just it's been a bit since I've done modding, so I'm just getting back into the flow of it. Just started this last week as a bit of a warm-up project, and yeah, let me see, let's... Yes, alright, so... Text field, oh, that is, the... Is there... Does this have combined, editable selecting, yeah, yeah. Neat, sounds like a really interesting concept. Yeah, I'm mostly just trying to see how this works. So yeah, that is... Yeah, so there's text field, but I'm trying to see if there's like a separate, like, scroll back? Yeah, there's chat screen. Is there a separate, Yeah, sleeping chat screen. Just extends that, yeah. Actually... Are there other chat screens? Should, do a quilt flower gen sources, run that in the background for a bit. Yeah, what version is it for? This is, I'm currently targeting 118.2. I am just, yeah, I'm currently using, quilt slash fabric, weird, like, situation going on there, so yeah. I'm just making it on a fabric mod, currently targeting 118.2. Yeah, like, just because I'm a bit more familiar with fabric than Modern Forge, I want to warm up with this, then I can get back to Forge's stuff. Plus, I've only ever really gotten mix-ins to work on fabric. I've had issues with Forge, but yeah. That chat from history. Oh, is there a separate chat HUD? Oh boy, is there a separate chat HUD separate from chat screen? Oh my god, there's a separate chat HUD. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm honestly actually not surprised, but yeah, yeah. Or client in-game HUD message, yeah, message size. Where do you, that chat from history? Yeah, actually, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. I'm not entirely sure what's what, yeah. I'm going to you know, I should probably make, so, yeah. Actually give the fans a quick sneak peek today on my stream of some of the work that's been done so far for this month. Ooh, nice! Yeah, text field widget, yep. Oh! Can you have... Oh! You can have them nested. Yeah? Or... Can you? Yeah, so text field widget, so... You can have just a text, or... so... In IJK, I'll text... That's what you use? At render IJKL... Yeah, text. Change listener, Yeah, original chat text. Oh, wait, that, gen sources. So now I've got sources, which means that I can, whoa. So now I can, find usages for you, so open chat screen. So this means, alright, so that goes through open chat screen. Then find usages for you. Okay, so that is either blank or so that's the starting text there. Okay, yeah. So I think the chat screen is actually literally just the... I think it is literally just the, like, slash or whatever in the text, yeah. Which means that the chat HUD is separate and... Is chat hidden? Yeah, is chat hidden? Yeah, then, let's see, is chat focused? What are you? Chat focused. Current screen instance of chat screen. Ooh, okay. So they literally just have like that all drawn through the HUD. The chat screen itself is only the like text field input. Wow. Honestly, makes sense. I'm probably gonna actually need that HUD, chat HUD. I'll have to look at this to like see the scrollable text, but yeah, so knowing that there's a text field widget is a really good first step. Alright, so yeah, so chat HUD, and then this'll just like, how do you, so BL, basically, yeah, that's a weird quilt flower, but yeah, so yeah, or Boolean, yep, pass, yeah, if n less than 200, which is creation take, alright, so if n less than 200, so that's 10 seconds, yeah, for chat message persistence, then, if focus, then, alright, so that's its opacity multiplier. Then there's this for if chat's open, which is used to actually like, oh boy, does it use, how does it actually show, Alright, yeah, it's got, chat HUD lines, okay. Alright, yeah, then it's got a scrolled lines thing there, yeah, chat HUD line. What are you chat HUD line for? Creation tick text ID, alright. That basically, alright, so that's the index, vague control, and its actual contents, okay. I don't think I'll need that, but yeah, yeah, so I should probably have this up because, like, scrolling will be interesting for this. Just because Minecraft doesn't really have, like, scrolling, usually. I could use libgui for this, but, yeah, I might end up using libgui, right now, yeah, for now, I want to make just something real simple, so... Alright, so... super.init, then I will want a text field widget, so private... text field widget, or not final. Text field widget, that'll just be, message field. Yeah, and you, yeah. Alright. What do you use? Yeah, oh yeah, you've got like a title, so yeah, new translatable text. That's gonna be, you just have that, pmpp dot, pmpp dot, item terminal title. Alright. Then I can make the message field and such. Then it does some interesting... Oh yeah, that does narration. Yeah, that's to get narration messenger, okay. I should also, yep, client keyboard set repeat events, so yeah, this client keyboard set repeat events true. Then I've also got to make sure I override that on false. Yeah. Yep, then don't need command suggester. Suggester, yeah. Yeah, then, yeah, like, when and it's being called client will always be things, yeah, removed is the, alright, so, removed. That'll be this client keyboard set repeat events false. Just make sure, but yeah. Oh, and that one also resets scroll. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, then this is where you would like, yeah, then this dot message field equals new text field widget, this text renderer, then, IJK and L, yeah, IJKL, go to super. Do you have any? Alright, so that's XY width height, okay. XY width height, yeah. I'm back. Welcome back. Yeah, need to chat with someone, yeah. I'm mostly, yeah. So then X will be, let's say, what would be, raid, Earthgem, thank you very much for the raid. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Thank you for the follow as well. Welcome to Uplink City. Let me just quickly, so, Earthgem. Yeah, yeah, you were doing some Minecraft stuff yourself, yeah. Kind of a quiet night tonight, but that's not always a bad thing, so yeah, I'm gonna get this width, to or 3, oh wait, no, that's, no, up. Yeah, width and height are a, yeah, protected int. You show up, yeah, so let's, so yeah, we've got int width. Width there, yeah. Oh, alright, so is that actually the, oh, that's passed in, I think that is just passed in on init to, which means I do definitely want to call a super init, yeah? Oh yeah, no, there's like, this is like the public init, and then, yeah, there's like inner init, yeah, so that'll set width and height. Let me just quickly find, is that window width and height? Just want to make sure. Projects, libraries, client. Yep, scaled width, scaled height, so yeah. Width, this dot width to minus, how big is yours? Oh yeah, you're the whole size, yeah. Yeah, let's say, yeah, let's say 32 right now. So then this dot height over 2, plus 32, then 64, 12, and text field widget, then your constructor has a null inner text field widget, or just, yeah, then I'm gonna say like a new literal text. Look on the bot. Hey Nikki, good to see you. Then this message field set focus, or no, this set focused message. Yeah. Then public void render, or render. Yeah. And do I need to call widget renders? Let me Yeah, oh, there is a tick, which I should so there's a tick, this dot chat, or message field dot tick. Resize, yeah, oh. Oh, is that just, I think that is just to, refresh, yeah, I think that's just to, like, refresh, or would it lose the text? I'll have to check with that, but yeah, chat field update. Yep. Key press stuff, mouse scrolled, mouse clicked, insert text, touch, rendering, alright, it looks like I don't actually have to, yeah, it looks like I don't actually have to, call render myself, but yeah. Oh wait, no, I do. Call super render, yeah, at the end. So, this, or message field.render, matrix, keys, mouse X, mouse Y, delta. And what did you have for key input stuff? So, key press, okay. So 256, alright, so I think I can do most of this, but yeah, alright, pressing mods for the pixel remasters and I regret it. RIP. Okay, so, key codes. Java key codes? Not JavaScript, alright, alright, so I do need to make sure. When I go to super key pressed, let's find usages, key pressed. Is there like, oh no, yeah, those are usages, alright, so that's in parent element, key pressed, find usages. Alright, oh boy. Do we have like, can I check, yeah, super key pressed, wait, is this, oh no, client GUI, alright, eco, oh, GLFW, alright, new. Can you get me to GLFW, please? Where the fuck is GLFW? GLFW key codes. Alright, keyboard keys, GLFW, okay. Alright, I've found that, so, so I do mostly want to, like, so I'm gonna first copy this and then, so I'm gonna copy, I'm gonna document, then I'm gonna clean, so copy, alright, or, yeah, so, alright, so, 256, that's GLFW key escape, then 257, glfw.glfw key enter, and then this is keypad enter, glfw.glfw key kp enter, 335, yep. 265 is key up, glfw.glfw key up. Then I'm guessing that's then down is 264. Okay, glfw.glfw key down. Then 266 is alright. 266 is page up. glfw.glfw key page up, and glfw.glfw key page down. Alright. So, alright, so I've done that then. So I want to keep this. If super key pressed does something, which is escape, and 258, which is tab, which is like tab control, okay. Then it's got some key press stuff, so yeah, basically all the way up there, so yeah. I want to keep that. I'm not going to be, I do not have a command suggester at the moment, so I don't need that. Do keep. Oh, Jasper, hello. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Urshan will get to that in a second. Yeah, Jasper, hello. Welcome. Yeah. Got a question. Do you know who Cassius is? I do not. I don't think. But yeah. Let me shout you out, Jasper. So Jasper, Dev, DT. Welcome. For those of y'all joining for the first time, hello. I am Lemma. I'm a chubby queer robot VTuber who both makes and plays games on stream. Hoping you're having a great day. So this is message field. Alright, so then there's like a send message and such. Send message, are you just endemic to screen? Ah, so there is like a built-in send message there, okay, yeah. So this is do send message. And what is the doc for? Let me quickly go up the tree to element. Returns true to indicate that event handling is successful. Valid, okay. Alright. So
The Willem is super cute and a really cool bean. A fiat figa.
Thank you, Jasper. Yeah. Cassius is the owner of Jurassic Craft. I think I've heard of that before. Yeah, then. Do roll, chat, roll, and I'm gonna don't close. Yeah, this should not close out. Comment that to do chat scroll to do message history and to do message history. Yeah, okay, so super key pressed. Now here's the question. Actually, where in that does it maybe it goes to the chat field. Oh right, yeah, because chat field's focus. So yeah, or yeah, no, the yeah, the text field should be focused here, but yeah. Now here's what I'm gonna do. So for render, I'm gonna just quickly so this is not where I'm gonna want to do this, so, but I'll just do it for now. Yeah, just because I'm currently setting this up and don't have everything super done, but yeah, actually, no, I can, private, I'm gonna want a inbox, or list, message, or I'm gonna have just one, message, thread, test, thread, I'm gonna have to set up networking soon. Yeah, then I'm gonna want, inbox, component, inboxes equals pmpp components dot inboxes dot get this dot client dot world dot get level properties. Then yeah, then list message thread inbox equals inboxes dot get inbox this client dot player. Should be fine, hopefully. Yeah, like, this is a screen that'll only happen in game, so yeah, then for message thread inbox if thread members dot size equals 1 and thread get members dot contains this client dot player get UUID this test thread equals thread. Oh, right, I just realized those clean out every time. I will, have to at least have it be able, or you do have, like, some sort of, like, update, or, wait, no, because you don't actually do any of that stuff, the client HUD does. I will just probably have to, how about, I'm gonna have a public void update thread then update thread I'm just gonna get rid of some of these. This is because I haven't really been using them or yet elsewhere in it, but yeah. And there. Alright. Then I can do a thing with packets or such later, but yeah. Then, for message, test thread dot messages. I'm going to have a Yeah, so I'm gonna have an, yeah, let's say the, int x equals, so x is going to be 12, int y equals 12. Just gonna start drawing in the top left for now, but yeah. Then I'm going to have a, so, this text render dot. Alright, so you do have, alright, you do just say, yeah, so, string text equals, I should also have a private inbox component inboxes that I will also, this dot inboxes equals mpp components dot inboxes dot get client world get level properties, then inboxes. Alright, then message, or then inboxes get name. Oh yeah, no, this is going to be text. Wait, no, text, because you extend order text. What? No. It ordered text. Mojang, what did you do to your text system? Is there like, no. Oh, there is an as ordered text, okay. Well, text. Yeah, so you said you'll be starting on Tuesday, right? Yeah, that's what the first day I won't be streaming, so I'll have like a lot more time to work on the codes. Yeah, text, author line equals, then inboxes dot get name message author dot dot append wait, I should factor mutable text, I think, and that will be in level. Alright, text, and you also need to be a mutable text. Nope. Mutable text. Get display name. Add tell click event. That should theoretically, wait, no. I'm gonna want a dot copy. Yeah. I'm gonna copy that so I don't accidentally mutate the player's name. There. And you also need to be mutable text. There. That's fine. Okay, all good. Append. New literal text. Or actually, no, I can just dash append message get timestamp. Then text contents equals message get message. Then this text renderer dot draw matrices author line x y. What does draw need again? So text float x float y float color, then x f f f f f 2 3 there. Then this y, or then y plus equals 12. Then this text render draw matrices contents x plus 4 y x f f f f f f. Yep. Dragon's Fire Roblox game is so bugged. Fun. Yeah. Alright. Yep. My hands are a bit shaky right now. Whoops. Alright, so alright, so now, I'm gonna want I think I'm still gonna want at least one command, so command registration callback, event dot register, dispatch integrate dedicated, then, command manager dot, or dispatcher dot register command manager dot literal empp dot then command manager dot literal send, then command manager dot argument contents string argument type dot 3D string, then executes context there, and I can bump and bump semicolon there, string message equals context get argument contents string dot class, then message equals new message, alright, then message, I'm not remembering my own signature zips, close out of that, close that, message, so new literal text message, then I think, yeah, then I'm gonna break this out here, yeah. Thank you for the hydrate, Jasper. Then context dot source get player get UUID. Oh, yeah, I've got to put this all in try because of course attached get player commands text exception E. Then yeah, so then I've got that, then after that was timestamp, new date, null. Alright, then then context and get source and error must run as player. Actually, I should player entity player context get source get player. semicolon. And send error, what do you want? Oh yeah, new literal text. Then return -1. Have that there just because I need it then. Then I need inboxes component inboxes equals player dot these pmpp components dot inboxes dot get player dot world or get world get world get level property, then list message threads equals new array list, or no, equals inboxes dot get inbox player. Then I can use the code I did here, so threads, yeah, then inside here change UID, yep. Then anyway, go to bed, go working like 8 hours, haven't even thought about sleeping yet. Yeah, get some rest, Jasper. Hope you hope you feel good. Yeah, then thread send message M, yeah. Then context get source, then feedback, new literal text, message sent, then true, then return 1. Then did not find a, yeah, I should also in the screen I should probably break, yeah. Then yeah, did not find a thread, grab, make a new one, message thread, yeah, I should actually have the inboxes component. If you message thread, it should return it. It should definitely return it, so I can then do level inbox component, then return thread. There. And there, and all good. Then that'll be oh yeah, inboxes create thread self message player, then threads and message M. Okay, then I can do the feedback again, and now if lastly I on this I do use user.opens or if world is client Minecraft client get instance.open or, no, what do I do? Or, no, where was it? Yeah, set screen. Minecraft client, get instance, set screen, new, item, terminal screen. Oh, hello, Chloe, good to see you. Yeah, then I've got to actually make that public. There. That should be good. Then I would also want to, yeah. Yeah, then this message field dot get text dot clear, or yeah, then dot, is there like a clear or whatever? That text, but there. Alright, then lastly I need to actually register an item, so for right now I'll just registry.register registry.item, new identifier mod ID. What about item, yeah, test terminal, new item, or terminal item, new item dot settings dot group item group dot miss max count 1, and that should be good. I hope that's good. Yep, so I've got like this, it should render messages, it should find everything because like all the marked dirty stuff. Beep boop beep. Hello, Mookneeable. Good to see you. Oh yeah, I should also, what was the, inboxes component, auto sync component, that is, apply sync packet, yeah? Then, alright, so super apply sync packet then, if Minecraft client dot instance dot get screen current screen instance of item terminal screen s dot update thread. Oh, 9 o'clock. Yeah, I just want to make sure this works, then I can wrap up for tonight. But yeah. Alright, please build and work and not break on me. Beep 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 beep. Yeah, this is not some, yeah, like I will want to have the apply packet stuff, yeah, like elsewhere, because Minecraft client is, like, I'm gonna have that elsewhere in, like, the proper, oh! And a crash. What was that? Huh? Oh god. Oh god, the registry shit, right. Yeah, right, I build Gradle, that's in registry sync? GitHub, fabric MC fabric. Let me just make sure I know where that is, It's, I know there was, like, some fix for that, recently with 1.8.2 and, yeah, I think that was Fabric, Registry Sync? Let me quickly check. Registry Sync, main, Fabric, Mixin, Bootstrap. Okay, so yeah, I do need Fabric Registry Sync. Okay. I think so, at least. Yep, don't freeze. So, that's, Maven, Fabric MC, Net, let me just quickly check. So, Net, Fabric MC, Fabric API, Fabric Registry Sync VO, Registry Sync VO. 097 is the newest version. Okay, so. Local runtime. Actually, wait, no, there's a quilt, Maven, quiltmc.org, then browse, then, snapshot, org, quiltmc, QSL, then registry sync VO, 096 plus 1, alright, yeah. Org, quiltmc, fabric, API, QSL, Fabric Registry Sync VO colon 096 plus $curly project Minecraft version curly dash snapshot, then refresh. And then that should fix it, yeah? Please configure faster. Beep, 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 beep. And then you should not crash. You should not crash. We're good. Okay. Please work. Please work. Yay! Okay, then. Load PMPP test. Hey, loading, loading. Beep, 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 beep. Running world, loading terrain. Right, and in miscellaneous, PMPP test terminal, so PMPP send hello. Did I fuck something up with? Alright, so there's some issue there, but I also did send some messages to myself, so. Ah! What was that? Inboxes is. You're. Oh, I did them in the wrong order. I meant to have this inboxes first. Whoops. I wonder what happened with. Then, yeah. MPP send, then executes. That is connected to. Yeah, that should be. Unless there's... Yeah, I don't know what could be causing that crash there. Content string.class, yeah. MPV send. Oh well, I did send some messages earlier, so yeah. I have to snooze again. I do want to finish up soonish, so if this doesn't work, I think I'm just gonna, like, try and debug off-stream, but yeah. If I can at least have something drawing, that would make me very happy. Can we at least have something drawing, please? Alright. Alright, loading. No, again? What was that? Rendering screen not invoke get messages because this test thread is null? If test thread equals null. Then I should also system out println test thread is null. Oh no. Yeah, I think I am, yeah, because I will have to figure out why this is crashing and I'm already getting a bit tired. I think I'm gonna, did your game crash? Yeah, it did. Null pointer because the thread I'm looking for doesn't exist. But yeah, yeah, I think I am for now gonna wrap things up just so I can like do some debugging off stream when I don't have to, like, you know, perform to an audience. But yeah, for now, yeah, I'm happy with how this is getting along. I will have to do some work off stream to get this sorted, but I'm used to that. Programming is hard. It's really hard, and I am doing my best. But yeah, well, at least, star refactor message system part on I submitted. Okay, so then I should switch. Who should I raid tonight? Beep, beep. Oh shit, Worm's live. I haven't been able to raid Worm in a while, so yeah. We're gonna soft robo raid and beep. And we're gonna raid Internet Worm. Thank you all so very much for watching, hanging out, joining in. I have had fun. Yeah, it's been nice to have y'all here. Thank you to Urshgem and Jasper for the raids. I really appreciate it. Tomorrow I'm gonna be playing some more Hat in Time. Gonna be fun. Very excited for that. But yeah, when we get over to Worms, please do not forget to drop it a follow because it is very cool and just great to hang around with. But yeah, I think I am gonna wrap up for now. So how about we get this raid started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon.